let's talk about the Nike Dunk High Pine Green White. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, I can't believe, man, boys be sleeping on the Dunk Highs, man. Y'all be, it's something about the low top dunks that people go crazy about. And I don't know what it is. Me personally, I like the highs better. So y'all keep getting those lows, that's fine. I'm not a low top guy like that. You know what I'm saying? I bomb, but man, these look nice on feet, on my feet. Your boy love them. Man, your boy love these Dunk Highs, man. And before I open this box, I gotta tell you, man, I didn't think I was gonna like how they look on my feet, but I love it. I love it. And when I went to Hibbett today to get the new black and lucky green Jordan 1s, I seen these. I seen these there in stock. I went online, they still have these in stock. So, and it is what it is. I tell people all the time, buy what you like. Forget what everybody else like, forget the hype. Buy the shoes you like, all right? So, let's go ahead and get started, all right? And your boy sipping again. Cheers. All right, let's go. Beautiful shoe, man. Beautiful shoe. Look at this, pine green and white. Let's take the other one out. Man. Get rid of this box. All right, let's get to it. So this is all leather upper. You got your pine green on the toe box and on the side right here, all through the sides. And the sock liner, pine green too. Pine green bottom, okay. Then the Nike label is white with pine green, Nike with the check, okay. All right, I think they should have gave us some green, like extra shoestrings, green ones, but I'm cool with the white ones, you know what I'm saying? And again, I'm a fan of Dunk Highs moving forward. I can't believe I'm saying this. I can't believe I have a pair in my collection right here, University Red. I can't believe it. And I think I had these on, about 2 times. So if you look at it, I call this Mario and Luigi. You know what I'm saying? It's the same color, Mario and Luigi. And I'm about to go watch the new Mario movie right now when I get done with this video. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, peace.